I am late. I am about a year late for doing this vlog. So this morning, getting up and going to a couple of local spots that I haven't ever been to before. The sky looks pretty cool. It's 5:15 in the morning. The sun's not up yet, but it will be shortly. So, in a bit of a hurry. So this is a spot that I drive by several times a week, and I stare off and look at this tree and always think about stopping here and photographing this tree and this fence and the long grass. I wanted to come out early in the morning and catch the sunrise as the get that soft light on the tree. So anyway, we're here and it's just a cloudy sky. We're not going to get a sunrise, but we'll give this a shot. I like the composition, and I don't think I'm going to need any filters or anything like that. Just natural, and there's some lightning off in the background right now. We're going to grab this shot, and then I've got a couple other spots I want to go to this morning. So, as luck would have it, it's starting to pour. So, we're going to jump back into the truck. Gotta stop making excuses. Excuses are like anchors, right? They're going to just weigh you down. So two things actually. Stop making excuses. Get out there and shoot. And do it for yourself. You can't do photography for anyone but yourself. You want to get out there and do something that makes you happy, because that's what it's all about. If you go out, that's what it's all about. If you go out, you guys have probably all heard the saying, be yourself because everybody else is taken. Well, that's absolutely true. Going out there to try to be one of these guys or gals that has 300,000 subscribers on their YouTube channel, you're not going to do that. You just have to go out there and do what makes you happy, and see the world through your eyes and share that the best that you can with doing it. Now, I think that's why it's taken me so long to do this. It took me a long time just to get to that point where I'm not trying to compare myself to these awesome photographers that I watch their vlogs every day, literally every day. You can't compare yourself to those guys and gals out there, because if you do, you're just wasting your own energy, to be honest. So take that energy and put it into your own photography. Get out and do it your way. The light's not great. I still like the composition. I went horizontal and brought the barn out there in the background, into the picture. But just not loving it right now. I think when I get it in the light, on the way to the second location, I saw something, as I normally do, and we're going to do an impromptu stop and shoot this little road. Dang it. Now it's raining again. I think maybe it's gonna stop. We might get lucky. This is a neat little road. It goes between the cornfield. It's got some old telephone poles along the side of it. Kind of brings you in. We're gonna see if we can grab this real quick. I'll show you. Hold on. This is the setup. It's starting to rain really hard now, so I gotta grab this. We'll talk specs in a minute. Casey makes a good cup of coffee. It's coming down hard now, man. Holy crap. We may be done for the day. We'll see. I got one more spot that I want to go to, and then we'll see what happens from there. This out of the corner of my eye, and pulled in here. Just about backed my truck up over a boulder, so that probably would not have been good. But here's the deal. We're gonna try to shoot this. I'm gonna do it handheld. It's still pouring. I'm just gonna do it handheld from the truck. We'll see what we can do. So I just shot this handheld through a closed driver's side window, and the glass is all covered and streaked with water. Now looking at it on the back of the camera certainly brings some mood, and the light was interesting, but again, we'll take it in the Lightroom, and well, I'll show you guys how it came out either way. I'm wet. The whole inside of my truck is soaking wet. That said, I love that light right there. And I did shoot it a little bit. So, what kind of things are going to get you out of bed at 4 in the morning and then take you out into the woodlands, out into the parks, out into the forests, wherever you go, and then stand out in the rainstorm? I don't know, man. There's not much other than this that would get me to stand out in the rain. And when was the last time any of you sat out in a rainstorm? No umbrella, just kind of taking it all in. That's what it's all about for me. Serenity, tranquility, relaxation. Just doing your thing, man. Do something that makes you happy every single day of your life.